Hey everybody, Adrian here from RealAbundance, and I'm just heading to one of our rental units right now. I just want to show you how this guy left the place. He's been a tenant here for 2.5 years, and we just came down the other day, and this is what the apartment looked like. So I don't know how well that shows up on video, but basically it's professionally cleaned. When I first got down here, there was actually a bottle of wine right there as a thank you gift, which I may have drank last weekend. But I just wanted to make this video to show everybody that there's great tenants out there. And if you take the time to properly understand real estate investing, if you take the time to properly screen your tenants, then you can really create a win-win situation. So this is actually a basement apartment of our own house. We sacrificed a little bit of space. We had to keep the kids as quiet as possible upstairs whenever we could. But all in all, it was worth it because for the last 5 or 6 years, we've been renting this place out anywhere from $1,250 a month to $1,400 a month. So that extra money helped us keep our heads above the water, helped us go on vacations when we wanted to, and in our case, for quite a bit of it, it actually helped us pay down our mortgage quite a bit faster as well. So I'll put another video together where we'll talk a little bit more about the numbers, but for now I just wanted to share that message that just remember there's great tenants out there, there's great landlords out there. So thanks for watching, stay along.